judge in Los Angeles erupted in anger today at doctors who compromised their obligation to patients, even rich and famous patients with serious problems. The judge in the Michael Jackson case sentenced Dr. Conrad Murray to 4 years behind bars for his role in Jackson's death and blasted him as a disgrace to medicine. ABC's Jim Avila has covered this case from the beginning.
Thank you.
Conrad Murray, leaving court for nearly 2 years in Los Angeles County Jail, blows kisses to his mother and girlfriend. But he had none for the judge, who had just sentenced him to the maximum for killing Michael Jackson.
The judge I thought he was openly hostile.
Judge Michael Pastor became the story today, not just for rejecting Conrad Murray's plea for probation, and instead sentencing Michael Jackson's former doctor, seen in today's booking photo, to 4 years, no electronic monitoring or house arrest, a judgment that because of jail overcrowding is automatically cut in half, but because of the harsh tone in which that sentence was dealt.
Dr. Murray created a set of circumstances and became involved in a cycle of horrible medicine.
Judge Pastor called Conrad Murray a disgrace to the medical profession, who performed a medical experiment on Michael Jackson that killed his patient, and even with his medical license taken away, remains a danger to society, especially since he refuses to accept any responsibility for his actions.
Yipes! Talk about blaming the victim. Not only isn't there any remorse, there's umbrage and outrage.
The Jackson family, on hand as they were throughout the trial, thanked the judge for handing down the stiffest of sentences, but said it was not enough.
4 years is not enough for someone's life. Won't bring him back, but at least he got the maximum.
Now, Jackson's children were not in court today, but they were heard from, quoted as saying that they lost their father, their best friend, and their playmate. And a final poignant story from Jackson's daughter, Paris, who was quoted as saying at the hospital where she watched her father slip away, "I just want to go with him."